Hi, welcome to my Wiki project for the CS50 web programming course with Python and JavaScript. This is my index page. You can see that every entry in the list has its proper link. And if we try to reach one of these links, like the CSS1, we go to the page that rendered the content of the CSS Markdown file. If we try to reach an entry that doesn't exist, we get a page not found error. We can do a search. We can search for if we search for Python, we go directly to the Python entry page. And the search is case insensitive. Otherwise, if we try to look for a query that could match to multiple results, we get a list of these results. If we make a query that doesn't match anything, we get a no entry found error. We can create a new page. We can modify the page. Here we can see that the new page is on the list of all the page. And if we try to create a page that already exists, we get an error because the page already exists. We can browse through random pages. And of course, you can see that there is a full markdown conversion. A markdown conversion to render the page. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.